everybody, and welcome to my channel. I am unboxing a gift from Sandy over at Decorate Your Life. I was not expecting this, Sandy. Thank you very much. And a Merry Christmas to our design team. Merry Christmas to Etta, who was on our design team but has recently left to take care of herself for a bit. And Merry Christmas to Dahlia, who is such a great team coach, I tell you, and our Miss Jenny and Edwina. Thank you, ladies, for being, who you are and how wonderful you are. And a special thank you out to you, Sandy, for sending us such beautiful collections to work with and trusting your hard work in our hands. You're very much appreciated. So let's just get into what she sent us. See, these are nice soaps. Says thank you for everything you pour into our little creative world. Your projects, your videos, and the care you put into showcasing my designs means more than I can ever put into words. Month after month you show up with heart, talent, and kindness, and I'm so grateful for the way you lift this brand and this community. This small gift is just to remind you how much I appreciate you. You make a difference, and I'm thankful for you. With love, Sandy. Isn't that just beautiful? I just fell in love. Sandy, I can't wait to touch your collections. They're just gorgeous, and you give us journalers a lot of beautiful things to work with. So we have vanilla bean, Noel. That was my daughter, guys.
Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Merry Christmas.
Enjoy the rest of the video. Merry Christmas.
Anyhow, so we got vanilla bean Noel, winter candy apple, and then we have beautiful pen she made, and Sandy just did it. I'm pretty sure she did a tutorial on these. I'm gonna link the team. Look at that beautiful fuzzy heart. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna link all the team's channels in the description box, and hopefully you'll get over there and wish them a Merry Christmas. They're all hardworking folks, and always in appreciation of your subscriptions and your likes. Look at this winterberry ice hand sanitizer. Ooh, that smells good. This is the time of year for it too. I don't know if I told you guys, but silly me, I went and got my flu shot and my, oh, look how pretty she put the little sequins in the bottom. I'm gonna harvest those. I might do something with this. Not sure yet, but we might do. I know what I'm going to do with it, and I'll show you when I've done it. But thank you, Sandy. You are appreciated. And look, I got Reese's and Hershey's are my absolute two favorite candies in the whole wide world. So you hit the nail right on the head. And thank you for the kisses, Sandy. All right. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.